Being water efficient not only helps the environment, but if you have a water meter, it could also save you money on your bill. Here are a few of our tips to use less water. When washing up, don't use the whole sink, use a bowl. If you have a dishwasher, try to avoid rinsing dishes in the sink before loading it up. And always make sure the dishwasher is full before you turn it on. The same goes for your washing machine. If you only need to wash a small amount of clothes, consider hand washing them in a bowl. Also use a bowl to rinse vegetables rather than running them under a tap. Only fill the kettle with as much water as you need. This will save electricity too. If you need to buy a new water-using appliance, check the labelling to see how water efficient it is before you buy it. And make sure you fully turn off the taps and fix any leaks. A dripping tap can waste a bath full of water a week. Take a shower rather than a bath, but be aware that a power shower can use twice as much water as a bath. You could consider fitting a flow regulator to your shower to slow it down. When installing or replacing toilets, opt for dual flush and low flush systems. Avoid flushing the toilet unnecessarily. Dispose of tissues and other such waste in the bin instead. Don't leave the tap running while you brush your teeth, and always plug in the basin when you wash. Use a bucket and sponge to wash the car instead of a hose pipe. And don't use a hose pipe to clean your paths or patios either. A broom or rake will do the job just as well. If you do need to use a hose pipe, fit a hose trigger so you can switch the hose off when you don't need it. And our final tip, use a water butt to collect the rainwater from your roof rather than wasting treated drinking water on your garden. You can find more water-saving tips on our website, www.dwrcymru.com.